Samsung will introduce the top Galaxy S23 series with the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 that was revealed a few months ago, carrying on the history of being the first smartphone in the industry to include Corning's latest Gorilla Glass protection. Corning introduced the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, claiming that it is built of a new glass composition and is meant to give superior drop performance on uneven surfaces such as concrete and asphalt. This implies that the screens on the Galaxy S23 series of smartphones will be more robust. Our next generation of Galaxy flagship smartphones are the first to use Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, enabling enhanced durability and increased sustainability at the same time, Stephanie Choi, Executive Vice President and CMO of Samsung Electronics, said in a statement. According to Corning's study, 84% of customers in 3 of the main smartphone markets, China, India, and the United States, rank durability as the second most important purchase criterion behind the smartphone brand itself. Corning announced at the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 unveiling that the glass had completed lab testing in which it withstood fall of up to 1 meter on a surface resembling concrete. Furthermore, the business noted that identical aluminosilicate glasses from other manufacturers often failed when thrown from a distance of half a meter or less in contrast. Furthermore, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 withstood drops of up to 2 meters on an asphalt-like surface and retained scratch resistance up to 4 times better than competing aluminosilicate. Samsung just announced that it would stage its first Galaxy Unpacked event in 3 years on February 1st in San Francisco, as well as its first in-person event since the start of the coronavirus outbreak. The firm has also indicated that the debut of the Galaxy S23 series would be live-streamed on different platforms such as Samsung's official YouTube channel, Samsung Newsroom, Samsung.com, and Samsung India's YouTube channel. The new Galaxy S23 smartphones will have different display and battery capacities, with the premium Galaxy S23 Ultra having the greatest specifications. According to reports, Samsung would most likely adopt an AMOLED E6 screen in the future Galaxy S23 series. Finally, what are your opinions about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.